back with another one. You know what I'm saying? Might do some sliding his video shoot for him. You know what I'm saying? My brother video shoot today. You already know what's going on. Man, hey. We had a whoop, man. We had a whoop. Black truck. About 30 minutes now. Don't like a chin and she calling me Sam. You want this whole thing right now like a camera. Yellow and fake, the bitch look like it's real. Jen in the swamp, now I camp in a match. I need a new rock, this time for his match. If her friend look better, then I'm my chest. Restaurant kid is my type of enhancements. I don't do this, I only finance. And label wants to be too big for advancement. Blowing this money, do that with a passion. Bump up the truckers, don't push it like ain't tryna beef, let you drop it to Eddie. If I'm solid, she callin' me daddy. Ain't taking time, she think I'm romantic. Running against in the bitch in the pants. Got yummy to yacht, this ain't hot, this Titanic. I ain't no killer, but please do not push me. Plastic like Messi, ain't sure graded, that nigga a rookie. Brought him on Jeep, that's a challenge, a cookie. Schooling these niggas, now they playin' hooky. He say humble, but I say YouTube going, we back with another one. You know what I'm saying? That my brother video shoot. We might do some sliding his video shoot for him. Couple more shit I got going on today, so it's gonna be a long video, man. Long little vlog, man. Feel me? Got my boy Trey, the best ATL producer, man.
What's up?
You know what I'm saying?
Top 50. Yeah.
Top 50.
Yeah, top
30
30 for real. Top 30 for real.
Huh?
See that nigga let us in, bro? Nah.
Hell nah. This shit, like, they used to slide this shit all the time, but the police do not go for that shit no more. That's why, like, when I pulled up, I'm like, but I know these niggas ain't sliding right here.
We gonna be hella.
That shit, niggas been burnt that shit up. I ain't gonna lie. My niggas been burnt that shit up. Bro, the brown seat really hard, bro. You really don't never need to get rid of the brown seats, bro.
What you got to throw? Drop the V8 in this bitch.
Bro, just get a fucking V8 Camaro, bro. What going on? I didn't even know Buddy was back there. I'm goddamn recording the seats and shit. We're going. Huh? Oh. I'm saying, where your video man at?
That nigga said he just sitting in the dot. He said he on the way there right now.
Somebody done bought that location, bro. They said.
Oh God, they said fuck this shit.
Dang. Hey. Nobody playing no more.
Yo, we just oh, he vlogging shit too.
What you saying? See what I'm saying? My brother's video shoot today.
You already know what's going on. Man, hey. We had the whoop, man. We had the whoop pull up.
Yeah.
Black truck. We call black truck.
Black
we
truck.
got more folks on the way, so I'm saying.
Yeah.
Blue dot. Man, we got to drive. Man.
Some of these yesterday with the same shit, bro. The funniest with the grape. Oh my God, bro. That shit be trim, bro.
I don't know about that.
But I got the wrapper in my back seat, bro. That's what I'm trying to say, bro.
Is that same lineup?
That same lineup, but I had Gatorade though, twin. I had Gatorade with it.
Got a way to go.
Bro, funniest be in though. I be trying to tell folks, but I be putting in the vlog like, bro, that shit hit every time. They don't know, bro. I be trying to put them down, Trey, but they don't know nothing about that shit, bro.
Nigga Trump.
You know, my boy having drug. They didn't got hella clothes, got chrome hearts in the fucking trunk, bro. Oh my God. They got a whole house and got sets in the fucking trunk, bro. A whole house, bro. My boy,
a whole rim in this motherfucker too. God, whole rim in this motherfucker.
Man, this man here, boy. Gotta get that man tail outside, man. That man play Call of Duty all day, huh?
Follow me.
Yeah. Oh, y'all can send me a dot or whatever y'all want to do. We gotta get back on the highway. Huh? Y'all nigga got gas money. I don't got gas money like y'all, boy. They blue and green so hard, bro. You parked it with this one.
Had to.
That'd be hard. Yeah. I'm ready. So y'all, we about to head to the next location because this location will close. Pretty sure everybody know this is one of the most hottest locations to slide at any fucking way. But yeah. So we about to head to the next location. I will pick up the camera when we get there. Y'all, man, stay tuned, man. I'm telling y'all I'm back to back with it. I'm trying to drop a video every week. So I gotta find something to do every week. We're almost to 100 subscribers. I'm really trying to get 500 subscribers before April. So let's do that. I didn't know he was like, bro, what the hell that young nigga doing, man?
That's not shit. Yeah, that motherfucker hard. Oh, some lit shit.
Like that.
That motherfucker true.
Huh? So right now we at my partner video shoot. We in a couple scenes in right here. I'm gonna do a couple circles around him. Just a little couple circles so he get his, you know what I'm saying? Get a couple circles in. Then I think we're probably gonna dip out of that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. So we at this location. This Glenwood. You know what you know. But trying to get everything.
Man, what the law at? This nigga been walking the blood for goddamn about 30 minutes now. Shit.
What y'all, man, for my subscribers that subscribe to me, what else y'all want to see? Like, I got car content, I got other content. I be really trying to do a whole bunch of stuff. Like, I really don't want to base my page off one thing. You feel me? So I'll try to go do a hell of shit. Like, I might go out to eat, do a food review or a race scene or a slime. Yeah, all kind of stuff I want to do. Pictures, fits, whatever y'all want to see, man. I'll do that jump. That's how I'm coming, man. Y'all just stay tuned with me if you're on the road to 100 subscribers. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe.
That motherfucker trill now.
YouTube, we back, man. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, I just slid the Camaro, man. Yeah, I know I broke my diff not too long ago. Probably 2 videos ago. You know I broke my diff. My diff was broke, but I just wanted to help my partner out with his video. You know, his video shoot. He called me to ask to slide for him and shit like that, and I did that for him. You feel me? But now we on the next scene. I mean, not the next scene, but you know, the next location where I'm just sliding. Like, I just want to get a little content for y'all guys. You know, a little more sliding. My tires almost bald, by the way, so I can't really go too crazy. But I'm gonna give y'all some more, you know, content, man. Like, I'm trying to goddamn spice the video up. You know, we got a couple more stuff we doing today. I'm gonna be out mostly all day today, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be out for a little minute today. So I'm gonna try to record everything I can. I'm gonna put it in this vlog today. You feel me? So yeah, I'll pick the camera back up when we get to the next location. And then y'all gonna see me sliding by myself. But this time I'm gonna get even wider. You feel me? I'm gonna go wide this time because where I was just at sliding, I couldn't really go too wide. It was like really some tight space. I just wanted to go around them real quick. But it turned out to be good. You feel me? So yeah, and then this video, man, asked me if he can book me for like video shoots to slide. You know what I'm saying? That's like networking, you feel me? So you gotta network with this shit. You feel me? Like, it can be a business and a hobby, you know what I'm saying? But I really want to go with this car. I really want to go towards the race scene, you feel me? And buy another car to slide, which I already told you guys, but I'm just telling y'all again. But yeah, we on the way to the next spot. Pick the camera up when we get there. Stay tuned. You know, made it to the spot. As y'all can see, this is where I will be sliding at. to get a little wicked in, get a couple content. You feel me? And try to tell them. Try to tell them. It would have been way better. I told y'all, bro, this would have been way better, bro.
Would have been and it been too much space.
I told you.
Don't worry. We shooting that video over here. Fuck it.
See, I bring a lot of people over here now. Out first, but like my partner done been over here too. My little team been over here too. Yeah, a little wicked.
Great spot. You could dip on 12 too. On God.
They would never come back here.
Like,
They don't never come back here.
They'll never.
Well, I don't say never.
Why would they come back here?
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you want to slide it? All right.
They
Oh,
gotta
hey,
show-
right that video. Let me slide that motherfucker.
teach Trey how to slide, man.
Yeah, I'm telling you, slide that motherfucker.
I can teach you how to slide that shit,
They
man.
do it. Oh God, they gonna slide.
When I get more times, I'll teach you how to slide that shit, bro. Cause these like my last.
takes though.
Like 2 takes?
Yeah.
Told y'all twin finna get wicked. Hold up. Hold up. Good angle. YouTube, we back with another one. You know, we back with the same vlog, but we over here with the old school cars this time, man. You feel me? I'm really old, so can't wait to get my old school out and show everybody what it can do and how it look at the end. I got a lot of people waiting on that content, so I'm gonna get it to y'all guys, but I'm trying to hurry up because the police trying to stop me, I guess, because a lot of people and it's bringing a lot of traffic, but we finna go down there and look at a couple cars, you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all can see, because it's pretty dark. I might have to turn my flash on in a minute, but yeah. So that's what we doing. Y'all take a walk with me. Wait till my SS come out, bro. Oh my God, bro. Can't wait till my shit come out. Bikes out here. We got bikes out here. Yeah. Boy got the toys out. Y'all see it? This shit low. Bel Air right here. Where the fuck is he parked at? Got the trucks, old school, they got everybody out here. call this man. Hold on, let me call this man, cause I do not see this man. Zay right there. Zay's a bitch, y'all. Whoever look at this video. YouTube, we're gonna end off the video like that. I mean, just a couple clips from the old school. We couldn't get much because the police shut it down. I'm pretty sure they're going to Moreland. I don't feel like driving to Moreland, honestly. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.